judge has now ruled homeowners will have a say after an investment company claims to own parts of the Hillsborough Inlet and backs of several million-dollar waterfront homes. Local 10 News first broke the story in March, and the fight has intensified.
And tonight the question remains, who owns this land above and below water, and could this happen to you? Local 10 News investigator Jeff Weinseer has an update tonight.
Their oceanfront property, their amazing views may be in jeopardy. As we first reported, residents along Bay Drive say they were never told someone else was claiming rights to parts of their land and surrounding property until they got this letter from the Broward property appraiser giving them a heads up. Attorneys for those property owners are now in court demanding Bay Drive residents have a say.
They have the right to be heard so that their property is not taken without due process.
Our property owners own to the erosion control line as a matter of law.
Those homeowners now demanding a trial, saying the judge didn't have all the information when she entered a default judgment in favor of Hillsborough Inlet Investments. That company recently claimed ownership to everything in purple on this map. It includes what's known as the Shores parcel. That's the back of homes, including the pool area of one of those houses. It includes parts of the Coast Guard station. Much of the property in question, though, you can't see. It is here, underwater, submerged land. Andrew Blasey represents Hillsborough Inlet Investments. They are demanding the property appraiser change official records to reflect their new ownership.
That's the land we're effectively talking about, and eroded away over time. But it doesn't mean it's not privately owned land.
Submerged navigable lands are considered to be owned by the state.
There was a peninsula there, no different than the lot that my home's on and yours. It was platted, it was privately owned.
In a lawsuit, Hillsborough Inlet Investment named defunct companies that once had ownership to the land. And since no one responded to the lawsuit, Hillsborough Inlet Investments got a default judgment.
The plaintiff was very careful to name only parties that it knew were no longer in existence, and therefore would never come out of the woodwork and fight what the plaintiff was saying.
According to state records, this right here is the man behind Hillsborough Inlet Investments. His name, William Swaim. He has refused to talk to Local 10 News.
The only reason to get this judgment is to do something with the land, either to develop it yourself, to sell it to a third party, or to go to the alleged property owners and say, you're encroaching on my land.
But this is more than just an issue here on Bay Drive. With all the waterfront property here in South Florida, the question is, can somebody just come up and say, hey, I own part of your backyard? The answer is apparently yes. It did happen in Palm Beach County. One of Swaim's companies obtained a deed and ownership to the mangroves and parts of this lagoon behind the Wellington Arms condominium. Swaim's company then demanded the condo remove their docks over his land. A source says the condo will now pay Swaim and his company $150,000 for use of their dock over his waterway. And Swaim is fighting with the town to develop the mangrove area. In the end, Judge Michelle Tobin Singer agreed those current homeowners on Bay Drive need to be heard. The property appraiser told not to change any records for now, but put on your life preserver, because sorting out who owns what here may be complicated with deeds and ownership dating back to the late 1800s. We're in Pompano Beach. Jeff Weinseer, Local 10 News.